Struggle to stay consistent in cleaning? Then follow these 5 game-changing tips in 2025 to have your tidiest home ever. Be sure to stick around to the end because number 5 is super shocking. If you want to be consistent, having a schedule is a surefire way to do it. If you do not have a schedule, now is the time to start. When you have a schedule, you know exactly what you're going to do and when you need to do it. So there's no need to go around wondering what you're going to do and when you're going to do it, and things don't fall through the cracks. If you want, you can also use a cleaning system. I use the Fly Lady system and it super works for me, but any cleaning system will do. Cleaning systems totally change the game because they tell you exactly what to do and when to do it. And that super simplifies cleaning. When things tend to be complicated, we tend to not do it and avoid it. But if we make it simple, we will get things done and our home will be tidy in no time. Not to mention, having a schedule helps things to feel less overwhelming because we are not tackling everything in a single day. Every single thing to do in our homemaking will have a day and a time to do it, or at least some sort of structure. So it will feel less overwhelming. We know we have something to do. We have a plan for that thing. So it will not be torturing us or hanging over our heads because we know exactly when that is going to get done. If you don't know exactly how to make a schedule, don't worry. And if you don't know where to start, that's okay too. Just start with 5 to 15 minutes a day. Every single day, tackle your worst spots or your best spots depending on your personality. And how do you decipher which one to do? If you need a quick win and you know that super motivates you, then go ahead and tackle your best spot. However, if your worst spot is driving you absolutely mad and you're the kind of person that when you achieve hard things, you get motivated to keep going, then start with that one, because even 5 minutes a day will show drastic improvements in our super duper messy areas. So go ahead and set that timer for 5 minutes, because once your body is in motion, most likely you will want to keep going. Just try not to go over 15 minutes because we don't want to get burnt out. And remember that once we clean the area, we also have to put away the things that need to be put away, toss what needs to be tossed, and donate what needs to be donated. So that also adds up on the time, which is why I recommend staying 15 minutes or under. Once you start, you are more likely to keep going. And anyway, right now is all about building those habits. If you're not in a home, if cleaning your home regularly just yet, then sometimes we may lose these cleaning supplies. We might be wondering where was the last time we saw them and where we might have stored them. But if you store these supplies where you tend to use them, then you will always find them. So keep a spot or two open for these cleaning supplies. The less you have, the better. I recommend an all-purpose cleaner and some microfiber cloths. But if you need a specialty cleaner for some area in your home, then go ahead and get that as well. Just make sure that you store these items where you would typically use them. Another way to stay consistent while cleaning is to track your progress by cleaning. Use things such as habit trackers to track your progress and feel super duper motivated. Another thing you can do is mark it off in your calendar or planner so you can see exactly how much you got done. And if you're putting it in your planner, you're not going to want to break that chain of cleaning. So you will be sure to do it every single way. It's just so fun and rewarding to see how far we have come. So chances are that if you're tracking it, you'll feel super duper motivated and continue to clean consistently. Cleaning doesn't always have to be a solo job. If you throw a cleaning party once a month, it will super help you motivated to keep cleaning, because you want to make it a fun social event. Not to mention, all those hands on deck will make cleaning that much faster. Take turns with your loved ones. If you pair up with just 3 people every single month, that is 3 cleaning parties a month, and you can take turns cleaning up each other's home. It is not so overwhelming to have just 3 of these events a month, and it will be a super fun event. You can have music, snacks, and whatever you want. And also, having more people cleaning will make the process to move faster. You can take turns cleaning each other's homes every single month by planning it out appropriately whenever it works for you. Although this works, however, it may not always be practical depending on the season of life you're in. But what absolutely works all of the time is having a cleaning schedule. And if you don't know exactly how to start, then check out this video here where I walk you through the process, and I'll meet you there right now. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, to God be the glory. Bye.